Well, it happened again. I can't believe it. I got a package from the Vineyard Chicks. I already cut the box open. Let's see. Oh. Oh, I got one of their CDs, y'all. Look. Oh, this is so exciting. There's still Christmas CD. Y'all, I'm going to ask you to go buy this because they're doing a Still Christmas giveaway. Sorry about the glare, but they're doing a Still Christmas giveaway. And you can nominate someone to receive up to $500. And I nominated Fallen Arkansas Veterans Charles. Okay, there's more. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at vinegar. Oh, y'all, if you have not tried their vinegar, I am telling you that you are missing out. Oh my word, it's so good. Let's see which ones we got. Let me unwrap these and I'll be right back. This is so cool, thank you. Okay, let's see. This one is chili basil. Oh yeah. This is fennel. I've never, that I know of, had fennel before. Here, let's move the scissors. This one is mojito. Girls, oh my goodness. Garlic lovers. Wow. 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 That is so cool. This is a tool I ordered for Kevin for work. He needed that. He needed that. Look at that. I'm so blown away by your generosity, girls. Thank you so much. I appreciate and love you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Mom and Dad, Vineyard Chicks. The eagle. So majestic. How beautiful. There's our resident eagle. He comes every year. And he's just sitting there, seeing if he can get a free supper.